What's up, everyone? Tidewater Fishing Tour is back at the Great Western Branch Reservoir, and I have with me a special guest. What's up, Hector?
What's up?
So today we're going to be fishing for catfish and panfish and bass and literally anything that'll bite. So today we've got 2 catfish rods with big ass circle hooks. We're going to cast them out. Then we're going to take it over here and we're going to catch some panfish and maybe some bass. So let's do it. We got night crawlers. We're going to put them on these catfish rigs here. They're not very wiggly. Here. Just 1 per hook. Damn, I think these things are dead. They're waking up only to die. So I've got bells for these, like you can put a bell on top.
Yeah.
But it's like stupid annoying. I don't expect too many bites on these. This is kind of just to see what happens.
Yeah.
Knowing my luck, this shit's gonna snap first cast. Not bad. Just cast it straight out. I don't know where any of the holes are over here, so it's like kind of casting in the dark. Hell yeah. And then just put this thing in here. And then we're gonna go fish for actual fish. All right, boys and girls, we're trying inline spinner. A little bigger than normal. See if we can catch anything a little bigger than some panfish. Oops. No luck yet, dude?
Huh?
What's that? Okay.
Anything over there?
Nah. This thing's got a pretty big hook on it. But I think today I want to get something a little bigger than I normally do here. Oh, something big. Ah,
What was that?
that was a bass. Damn. He hit that hard, man.
Yeah.
Come on, bite it again, big guy. I gotta edit out some curse words today. Another little bass. Barely on there too. Little boy. Live your life in freedom. You just got a little panfish.
Yeah.
All right, try this one. This one's it's the same thing, but it's got a bigger hook, so you can actually hook in a bass with this.
All right.
And then I got a whole bunch of bass stuff here, so we can try that out. Well, since we know they're out here. Man, that first one was big. You saw that thing jump, man? It's probably a 2-pounder. Nah, maybe a 1. I think the catfish rigs are a lost cause at this point. That's okay. Got one. No, don't jump. Jesus Christ, don't jump. In the boat. Oh.
Yeah, y'all take the boat.
Can you get a good angle on him? There you go. There you go. My man. Thank you, dude.
Yeah, man.
All right, let's revive him, make sure he doesn't die. All right. That's our bass, boys and girls. Nice, I don't know, 10 ouncer. All right, let's get him. There you go. Thanks, Hector.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
All right, listen up, everybody. Tidewater fishing tour is back. I've just driven it about 2 hours to get to the Oregon Inlet. I went into this dope bait shop, and I asked around to see if there are any good places to go surf fishing here in the Outer Banks. And today I'm trying to catch the big one. My goal is to catch a really big red drum. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but my plan is to take one smaller rod, rigged up with just a bottom rig and some fish bites to catch some bait fish, and then I'm gonna cut them up or just live hook them to a bigger rod and catch some big old fish. So we're going to the Oregon Inlet fishing station. I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but my plan is that. I would have done this outside, but it's too windy and my camera can't handle it. Okay? So we're gonna go over to the fishing area and we're gonna see what we can get. We'll see you there. Not sure if you can hear this, but it's very windy. I am rigging fish bites on my little tiny hook to see if I can get any bait fish for my big boy. We're seeing what we can do out here in these waters. Not too far. Have to get out there in the water. Looks like a wind. A lot of wind. Alright, we're gonna try big ass weights. Alright, we got heavier weights this time. We're gonna try casting it like that. Tidewater fishing tour here. I know you know that because you're watching this video. So, it is now the 29th. I went to the Outer Banks on the 28th. And I just feel like I need to explain what happened here. So the plan was to go down there Sunday morning, catch some big fish, go hang out with one of my good friends, and then go do the same thing on Monday. So here's what happened. Here's the scoop. I didn't catch any fish. What I didn't know is that there was a hurricane churning, you know, to the east, down south, that was causing this incredible wind against the shores. You couldn't feel this wind in inland. And even at the Sound, we hung out at the Sound, and it was really quiet, it was calm, it was nice. Had a good time. The moment you reached the edges of the beach towards the Atlantic Ocean, all hell broke loose. There were waves the size of Godzilla. And, you know, sometimes when you fish, you're not going to catch anything, and that's okay. Sometimes it's the weather's fault. Sometimes it's my fault. Usually it's my fault. And, you know, you just don't catch any fish. I thought it'd be cool to include it in the video just because you could see how crazy nature can be. But I had a good time regardless. And the morning earlier kind of made up for it when I caught those bass in Western Branch Reservoir. By the way, I've never caught a bass in Western Branch Reservoir, so I thought that was pretty cool. A little upset, Hector didn't catch much. He caught a little panfish, but all in all, I think it was a good trip. I also wanted to update you guys because I am starting a new semester at my college at Old Dominion University. I'm getting a bachelor's degree, and my major is in leadership, and my minor is in management. So I'm going to be uploading at a lower frequency, but I'm not going to stop, especially because, you know, it's still summer, it's still prime time to be catching fish. But I'll tell you what, after the semester's over, during the break, albeit it's a short break, I plan on doing some striped bass fishing. I've never caught a striped bass. Well, I've caught one, but it doesn't really count. So, anyway, stay tuned. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If I sound like I'm ranting, I'm having a little bit of rum and Diet Dr. Pepper. So, anyway, tight lines, everyone. And please like and subscribe to Tidewater Fishing Tour. Thanks, guys.